आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज, पाकिस्तान की आवाज।
सो व्यूअर्स, मेरे साथ मिस फौजिया मौजूद है और आई वुड लव टू नो फ्रॉम हर व्हाट इज हर एक्सपीरियंस इन दिस पीक ईएलटी की जो ट्रेनिंग्स हैं। जी मिस।
Assalamu alaikum. First of all, thank you very much, Pak News, for giving me this chance to speak in front of you. This opportunity that the teachers of Gujarat have availed. This was a wonderful opportunity given by Relo Pakistan, Vision Building Future, and American Embassy. I would really appreciate their effort. I'm feel proud to be the part of this training. In this training, we have learnt about how to train ourselves, how to groom ourselves, and it's not only for ourselves, it is for the students' grooming. Of course, you know that students are our future. If the teachers are well equipped,
What about the parents?
the parents, of course, being a parent, and this message should be given to the parents as well, that they should have given their children in the hands of well-equipped teachers. If teacher is ineffective, the student will be ineffective. Teaching will be ineffective. So it's my request to the parents, they should choose the teachers. They should choose those institutes that are properly giving the proper knowledge to the students. This is my request.
Thank you so much, Miss Fozia.
आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज, पाकिस्तान की आवाज।